18 minutes left to go here. Ian, let's talk about your last chance. Here it is. What do you want to trade?
I want to buy Netflix. And I think a lot of people don't appreciate the fact that 70 to 75% of Netflix subscribers only have Netflix. And so there's this perception that somehow everybody's going to jump ship and move to other streaming services. Yes.
Based on what analysis?
Based on data that I saw before I came in here.
Okay. 70 to 75, that's high.
And so as a result, I don't think this mass exodus is going to happen. And on top of that, you've got what we talked about earlier, this scale, massive scale, 160 million subscribers. It's not that easy to penetrate that moat from nowhere like Apple and Disney. And so I just think the fears are totally overblown. I think the money situation with the Fed is going to continue to provide support for companies that have leveraged balance sheets like Netflix. And who doesn't love The Crown? You must love The Crown. Right?
I do like The Crown,
okay.
Although the early season's better than the most recent one. But coming back to the stock, even if you're right and people don't start cancelling, has it already pivoted to being now starting to be valued a little bit more on its earnings and its sales, as opposed to just that arbitrary subscription number? Because people got a little spooked whether the subs could keep growing, and now they look at other multiples, and that gives it a big gap below, potentially to slip if anything disappoints in the year ahead.
I mean, I think people got upset last quarter when the subs didn't grow as much as people had hoped. But I still think people are looking out 2, 3, 4 years and who's going to be around in this. And then ultimately, who's going to be able to raise price because of that? And I think the Uber bull case on Netflix is not only do they survive, but eventually they can raise price and then the margins start to really expand.
Netflix down.